Wala yan sa bilis. Importante, safe tayo pag uwi, di ba?
J-Cat Moto.
Hi! Hello everyone, this is your boy J-Cat Moto coming at you somewhere in Bye-Bye City, Bye-Bye Leyte. Today is February 1 afternoon, Friday. Chicks! Ay, buwan ng mga chicks. Buwan ng mga puso. Yes, of course, buwan ng mga puso. The month of love, as they say. Magpi-feeling Valentino tayo ngayon. Valentino, as in Rossi. Valentine's, Valentino. Anyway, mainit ang panahon. Maganda ang panahon. Kaya napagdesisyonan kong lumabas kasi naging stressful yung last 2 days ko. Kaka-troubleshoot ng computer ko. Buti nagawan pa ng paraan. Hindi ako nakabili ng bagong motherboard. So today, I'm gonna be taking you with me to the Bye-Bye Mahaplag Twisties. So, I know I've shown that road before. During sa biliran ride namin ni Sir JT, doon kami dumaan. Yung break-in ng gulong ko, doon din ako dumaan. Saka sa cornering na video ko, doon din ako nag-cornering kasi twisties nga. So, today, medyo iiba tayo. More about the twisties and how I negotiate corners. I am dubbing this place or this road right here as Little TCH or Trans Central Highway of Cebu, or maybe sort of Marilake of Leyte. Although di pa ako nakadaan sa Marilake, since twisties naman din yung Marilake, let's just put it that way na ito yung Marilake ng Leyte. Yun, ang sarap nagbanking-banking. Yun, di ba? Hi chicks, ako si Boyet. Anyway, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? At saka before engaging on a twisty road, make sure na mainit muna yung gulong nyo. Saka mainit na kayo, excited na. Dapat mainit yung gulong nyo para kumapit. And at the same time, mas mabuti rin kung mainit yung panahon. Kasi pag katulad nito, asfalto yung daan, mas makapit to pag mainit. Mas confident ka mag-banking to the left and to the right. So aside from that, this is my way of enjoying myself. Kasi kaya nang napost ko before sa Facebook page ko, riding reduces stress by 28%. Study po yan na ginawa doon sa US. Ang pagra-ride daw nakaka-reduce ng stress. This is one good excuse na rin, di ba? Para makalabas ng bahay. Although pag yung ride mo naman nasa gitna ng EDSA traffic, so unfortunately that will not count as reducing stress, kundi adding stress siguro. Corner muna. Ganda ng corner, di ba? So uphill corner. So this will be more video kasi most of my moto vlog I do really talk most of the time. Mga 10 minutes straight yan eh. Today less of talk, more of enjoying the corner. Of course we're not going to be in racing mode because this is a public highway. Huwag niyong gawin racetrack yung highway, kundi pwede namang spirited pace, medyo mabilisang pace, but not racing mode. At the same time, this is one good way of practicing your skills. Kasi pag sinabing cornering, di yan porket alam mo yung theory, yung theoretical. What the? Parang oil to ah. What the? This can be very dangerous to riders like us. Oil ni boss? Oil? Kala ko oil. Tubig lang pala. Hay, kasi kung oil yun, mahirap na. Gusto pa naman nating mag-banking sa the left and to the right. Good thing it's just water. Anyway, as I've said, this is one good way of practicing cornering. I've made a cornering video before, basics of cornering. So if you're not familiar, you might want to check it first. But anyway, cornering is one of the basic skills you should learn as a rider, kasi pag wala kang basics sa cornering, mahirap. Although di naman racing mode yung mga gusto natin, but at least you can safely corner kasi alam mo yung basic. At the same time, kung nagpa-practice ka ng cornering, you'll be building your confidence. So, confidence builder din siya. Kung nagpa-practice ka, nagiging confident ka sa cornering mo. It's hitting two birds at the same time. You're building your skill, you're also building your confidence. Try to overtake this two right there para ma-enjoy natin yung twisties. This is, as I've said, a little different with the usual motovlog that I do. At least makita nyo rin yung action. Personally, to be honest with you, I am no expert when it comes to cornering. I am no racer. Boy, hamak na motovlogger lang. I can consider myself na experienced. Although not that experienced, but probably above average. Lang tigil, okay. Good thing. Sige, let's enjoy the twisties. Twist to the left and to the right. Habal. Ito yung Big C. Di mo. Delikado nga Big C. Baka simplang tayo doon. Kasi downhill. Baka mag-lock yung elbows. Goodbye Philippines. Goodbye world. Okay, balik sa asfalto. This is more like it. Ay, balik na naman sa ito. Di pa kompleto. Ang maganda dito, since this is a mountainous area, malamig yung hangin kahit mainit yung araw. So this is really a beautiful place to enjoy the corners. So downhill na naman, downhill cornering. So downhill. So you tend to lock up your elbows pag downhill. So better practice muna na i-relax yung elbow. Saka maganda tong standard na motor yung ginagamit mo. Kasi pag standard na motor, mas less yung possibility na mag-lock yung elbow since may nakalock yung anong tawag dito? Nakalock yung mga binti mo sa tank area. Unfortunately, walang tank area pag underbone. Kaya you really have to make sure na malapit yung kamay mo o yung braso mo sa handlebar para parang ganito. Ilapit mo ng konti para ma-relax. Saka lalo na pag downhill. Ang lamig ng hangin. Ito, asfalto na naman. Nice. Medyo bouncy din yung daan. Hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. Medyo maalog yung nagba-bounce tayo. Kasi medyo mahirap din. Downhill pa. Bounce pa tayo. Medyo di siya comfortable na i-corner pag ganun. Pero pagpabalik na uphill, medyo siguro mabilis na. Anyway, we're just trying to improve our cornering at the same time our confidence. Kasi way back na-disgrasya ako, after that sa mga corners medyo tentative na ako, di na ako ganun ka-confident sa cornering skills ko. So mas maganda talaga mag-practice uphill cornering, but still really have to also to practice your downhill cornering kasi medyo mahirap, mas mahirap talaga yung downhill cornering. So this is uphill cornering. Medyo masarap na siya. Kahit bouncy, medyo bouncy pa rin yung daan. So we're just turning around. Overtake, bro. Ay, naliligo. Uphill cornering. Uphill. So I guess I have to end this motovlog right here. Baka maubusan na rin tayo na battery. Although this is not the usual motovlog that I do, the important thing is that you corner safely. Wala yan sa bilis. Importante, safe tayo pag uwi, di ba? Anyway, I guess that would be all for this motovlog. But before ending this episode, I have to leave you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you want to improve your skills and confidence in cornering, make sure you practice, bro. So that's about it. This is your boy JCat Moto saying you bye-bye.